Hey, what's up guys? This is my second video officially, and for today's video I just wanted to do something simple. I bought corner lights, those, and also I bought some tail lights that I'm about to show you guys. This is something simple, something to get the ball rolling, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's do this. These are the tail lights that I bought. I already unboxed them just because I really wanted to see them. I unboxed them the day I got them. It's been like 2 weeks. I've been waiting for my corner lights to show up. But these are from Eagle Eyes, but I bought them from K2 Industries. But yeah, let's just unbox these right quick before I throw them on. Honestly, I like them. Okay, that's that. Also, these are the side lights, I guess you can call them. I really don't know, but they are also smoke. Sorry for the messy area and the dirty ass floors, bruh. I'm in my garage right now and it's really messy in here, but I'm just showing you guys real quick. They're LEDs, but yeah, let's move on to the corner lights. So these are the corner lights that I got. They're kind of hard, I can't even cap. These are from Depop as well as those. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox these right quick. That's how they look. Oh wait, no, I bought these from K2 Industries too, but they're from Depop. Depop made them. So yeah, let's get this started. Let's go. So I'm gonna just start with the corner lights, or the blinker things. These are honestly kind of ugly. I can't even cap. I honestly don't mind the yellow, but I just want something different. I've had these for a long time since I bought the car. But yeah, as you can tell, there's like a hole right here, and yeah, they're just old and stuff. They have like scratches. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's honestly the reason why I'm gonna change them, as well as the other side, obviously. So as you guys already may know, these are the I almost fell right quick. I almost fell there. But I'm chilling. So yeah, I'm also gonna install bulbs as well. I mean, I'm already in it. This one went out like a few months ago. Yeah, a few months ago, real quick. And the other side still works, but I'm gonna just change them either way. But yeah, let's do this. Yeah, you guys already may know how to change these. But yeah, all you do is stick this crosshead screwdriver in this hole over here. Super simple. I know that on the I actually don't know how to remove them on a pre-facelift. I wanted to sound smart right there, but I really don't know how to remove them. LMAO. Cream. Oh, these are nasty. So yeah, it's that simple. All you gotta do is move the screw that's on top of this, and you just pull it out. But yeah, they have pollen all over. That's kind of nasty. I can even cap. Sorry it won't focus. My camera isn't autofocus. So yeah, just rock with this. As you can see, the bulb is out. What the fuck happened? Whoa, it's cracked. Why is the bulb cracked? Hold up. I don't know how this happened, but the bulb is cracked. What the fuck happened here, bruh? So that's why it went out. That's crazy. And it's got like pollen inside. Holy f. Okay, let's change that. Oh, what the? Bro, it. Holy f. Hold up. It came. Bro, what the f is this? It came out. How do I take this off, bruh? Man. Hold on, my hair looks nasty as hair. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry you had to see this. Oh my god, what the I look like a 42-year-old man, bro. My fucking... Alright, let me figure out how to take this bulb out without hurting myself, and I'll be right back. So I'm not sure where I left off in the last clip, but all I remember is I couldn't take off... Let me show you guys. This broken bulb off of this socket. Because since it's broken, you can't just grab it and twist.
What did he say?
So I was trying to figure out how to do that, but I got it to work. I also went ahead and took off the other side. It's really just the same thing. But yeah, I did have a sort of a hiccup over there too, because for some reason the actual corner light didn't want to come out. But yeah, let's get the new ones in. Excited for this, bruh. Oh, let me up, dog. So from the looks of it, and from what the dude at AutoZone told me, you're supposed to just pour a little bit of grease on this, and it'll last forever, supposedly. Oh, I just scratched the f out of it, bruh. Man. Oh, that snap is kind of satisfying. I can't even cap. There we go. Pretty sure that's right. How does that look, guys? Check it out. Ooh, okay. Kind of fluctuating. Let me just screw this back in there. So that side is done. let's move on to the other side. Yay. Side corners, check. So as you can see, they are in there. They look spiffy as hell. I'll turn them on in a bit. So I was going to close the hood, but before I was going to actually latch it, I saw this. So I opened it back up to see what it was. Oh, and as you can see, that's part of the thing over here. And if I'm not mistaken, that looks like a red bit off of it. Cause I got this from the junkyard and it didn't have anything on it. It was spotless. But then I come over here and it's got this, that, and this big ass chunk over here, bruh. What the is this? And it's all tucked in one of the. Oh no! What the? There's definitely something sketch going on in here. What the? I'm pretty sure I have rats in my engine bay area. What? This is crazy. If you know what this could be, bruh. To me, this looks like a rat bit off of it. But let me know, what do you guys think, bruh? That's how the car looks. What do you guys think? Rated 1 out of 10. 10 being the best. Oh my god. Spiffy as hell. What do you guys think? Okay. Look at that. Okay. So I'm about to install the new taillight. But before that, I actually wanted to install these, I guess you can call them, I don't even know, some new hardware for the license plate. So I'm about to install these on it to see how they look. Hey guys, hopefully the wind noise is not too bad and you guys can hear me. But basically the last clip you guys saw of me was of me trying to install the license plate screws with the little rings around them. And basically after that, I installed them, but my battery pack died on me. And now it's like a week later. But basically what happened was I was gonna install the taillights as you guys saw on the last clip. But what ended up happening was the taillights actually weren't functional. I connected them properly, but they were just not turning on. I connected all the connectors on the back, but I was getting lights on the dashes and they were just not working. I went ahead and bought these for now. So they're the Euro type of style taillight, and yeah, I'm gonna be installing these for now. These are also one of my favorite pair of taillights. I've always liked this, and ever since I got my car, these were my first choice. So yeah, we're gonna install this, but before that, I'm gonna just show you guys how the rings around the screws look on the license plate. Also, if you're wondering where I got that from, that's from a brand. It's an underground brand, I like to call it. It's from Born to Die. That's their Instagram. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It's a known brand in the car community, but if you guys never heard of it, I'm gonna link it down below. So yeah, let's get this. I know I'm exposing myself right now with my plate, but that's how the rings look like. I had to put the OEM screws in because the ones that they came with, the screws did not fit in the hole. So I just had to put the OEM screws. But other than that, these things look fire, as you can see on both sides. It's a pack of 4, so 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. But I didn't want to put them on the bottom. I just put them on the top. And the other 2, I actually put them in my dad's truck. These actually fit the Born to Die screws that they came with, and I like them because they're I hate that it's not autofocus, but they're I forget what type of screw that is, but yeah, that's the screw they came with. And yeah, these things look fire, bruh. It's just attention to detail, you know what I'm saying? That's why I like them so much. They also sent over a sticker with that. So as you guys can see, it's just a cross, and it says Born to Die right here. It's cool. My dad really liked it, so I just put it on his truck. And yeah, that's the rings that I'm talking about. License plate rings, they look fire, epic, cringe. But yeah, let's get to installing these bad boys. Okay, so first I'm gonna install this side, just cause why not, cringe. I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. It's a quick process, really just 3 screws, 1 on each side. The little connector over here, and that's the only connector. That's why I like these halogen I forget how you say that. These halogen I don't know how to say it, but the bulbs, I really like these more than the LEDs because it's just simpler, you know what I'm saying? First one down, 2 to go. That was so cringe, bro. Why am I so cringe, bro? I don't understand. If you're cringe, leave a like. Okay, first one off. Should just come right off. Whoa. Okay, that's nasty. I'm gonna go get some APC and a microfiber towel to clean all this dirt and pollen off, because it's not. Oh hell no, there's a bug over here. It's dried and ugly, but it's still there. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm gonna just go get some APC. That's the little bug I'm talking about. That's nasty. But yeah. Oh, this thing smells good, bruh. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys. These are from Depot. You know, the boys over there. Yo guys, if you guys haven't seen Evil Dead Rise, bruh, I highly recommend that movie, bruh. That thing was crazy. I went to go watch it last night, bruh. Nah, that's as best as it's gonna get. So yeah, that side is installed. Let's move on to the other side, bruh. Okay, so it's really the same exact process, just on the left side. So yeah, it should be quick. Really, the hardest part about changing these taillights is getting to the screw farthest away from it, which is like over here somewhere. Cause you have to get behind the carpeting, and it's so annoying to take off. All right, success. Wait. Okay, got this one off. So this is like my first vlog, I guess you could say. Let's just get to know each other, you know? Just break the ice, you know what I'm saying? So in the comments below, drop down what kind of music you listen to. And what's your favorite song right now, bro? For example, for me, I don't know why, but that album that Metro Boomin dropped with Travis Scott and Future and all of them, I don't know why, I'm just discovering it, bro. But that whole album goes hard, bro. It's absolute fire, bro. Oh God, I've been listening to it for the past like week or so. I know I'm late, but bro. Okay, so my camera's bad. I mean, my camera's SD card is almost full. That's why I couldn't record anything after that. But I went ahead and installed these and put everything back into place, and it seems to be good. So yeah, this is how they look. What do you guys think? Dope or ass? I really like them. They're really nice, bro. Honestly, in person on the car right now, they look hard as hell. I can't even cap. I am gonna get the yellow bulbs for the turn signals. That's gonna make them look better. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's really it.
My chest, go up so fucking big, they couldn't trace it. On fucking blood, they don't hate me. Fucking standing fucking pussies where he make girl.